Hi there guys, let's now learn how to create a coin pickup system in our Roblox games. Let's take for example in this game right here, I can go and find some coins to pick up, and as I pick up the coin, it goes into my leaderboard. So now I have 3 coins. If I go and pick up more coins, now I have 4 coins, now I have 5 coins. Let's go to Studio and see how we can make this. Here we are inside Roblox Studio, and the first thing we need to make is the leaderboard. To make your leaderboard, you gotta go to your service script service, insert a script. In your script, just insert the following lines. On the first line here, we're declaring the player service, where we're using the player added event of the player service to detect when a player joins the game. When a player joins the game, we're gonna create a leaderboard for that player. To create a leaderboard, first you need to create a folder. This line here is creating a folder, and you need to name that folder leader stats. It needs to be spelled exactly the way I have it here, in all small cases letter. Next, we need to place that folder under the player. And down here, we're creating the column inside our leaderboard. We're doing that by creating an object. It's an integer value object. This integer value is gonna keep track of the number of coins each player has. We name this column coins, and we initialize it to 0 at the start. So every player is gonna start with 0 coins. And we need to place this column inside our leader stats that we have created up here. So that is how you create a leaderboard with a single column named coins. Next, we're going to go to the coins. So the coins are inside our workspace. Let's take this one for example. All the coins have the same exact script. So let's take a look at just the first script here. They're all identical. Let me close the other script. So this is the script inside each coin. It has a touch event. So when somebody touches this coin, we're going to check for a humanoid to make sure it is a player's character that is touching the coin. And here, this is how we get the player from the character by using this API, get player from character. It's going to return the player. And from the player, we're going to go and get the player's leader stats. That is the leaderboard. And we're adding 1 to the coins column. We're also playing a sound, a pickup sound. So under each script, we have a sound file. The sound object has a sound. That is the pickup sound. We're declaring the coin here. So basically the script is under the coin. So script.parent is the coin. And to make the coin disappear from the game, we're going to move it to the replicated storage. We're going to wait for 5 seconds, and then we want the coin to reappear in the game after 5 seconds. So we move it back into the workspace. And that is all there is to it. Let's play test again and take a look. So in your game, you can hide the coins at different places where players has to go and find them. You can see my leaderboard here initially. When I just spawned in, I have 0 coins. And now I'm gonna go and pick up the coins. So now I have 1 coin, 2 coins, 4 coins. You know why? Because the coins, they reappear after 5 seconds. 5, 6, and 7 coins. That is how you create a coin pickup system in your games.